Peace me, man.
Oh, there's the chick, that's me!
Case! Death! You got him.
Am I get?
Up. A little left. Other left. There you go, you got him. Right there.
Did it?
I'm pretty sure there's not a fire over there. Left.
I'm pretty sure those pieces of wood were red.
Pretty sure they're not.
Oh, I guarantee they are.
No.
My bike was just inside the fire pit.
When you're talking.
Shut the fuck up, Adam!
Here it comes. Here comes Jonathan King and Adam Reynolds right there. Yes. He wants perfect silence.
You could have went for that. You would have had it.
No.
Fuck, that hurt.
Oh.
Just break the chair. Flat. Jesus Christ.
My damn bad ankle again.
Shit.
So.
The first one wasn't that bad, was it?
Oh, that's the easiest fuck.
Yeah. If you would have went for the second one, you probably would have got it.
It's Adam again.
Probably gonna see him fall.
Oh, there's a tree there.
Did you just hit a tree? Yeah, whatever. Just kind of go. Fuck it.
Don't matter. Fucking north.
Son of a bitch!
Ah, do a flare!
Did you crash? Huh?
He caught it before he went over the bomb.
Oh. Alright.
Got to pull the flare.
You came all this way, not to pull the flare. See, look, flare.